Did you know Rafik Andal, a Turkish-American new media artist, is building a world where humans and machines collaborate to redefine the canvases and museum experience itself? Rafik Andal Studios' AI sculptures and paintings are captivating audience worldwide, from Istanbul to Berlin to Hong Kong. In 2021, Rafik Andal Studio had the opportunity to explore its potential for creative production, Living Architecture, a project that transformed the facade of Casa Batlló into a dynamic NFT masterpiece and wasn't just the first for UNESCO World Heritage Sites. It was a living, breathing entity. 47,000 eyes watched in awe. The work was sold at Christie's 21st Century Evening Sale for $1.38 million. AI and art are building a new connection. Imagine art that dreams, not just painted but alive, breathing, fueled by unseen world of data. This is the future of art where humans and machines create together. Check out our data science course at www.fctraining.co.uk.